Taken this morning, experts are sharing new warnings about Erie County's illegal drug market. Erie County is on track to see more opioid overdose deaths this year than ever before. To On Your Side's Andy Payton has the latest on what's causing this alarming trend.
This morning, a substance once normalized as a party drug, now the leading cause of death in Western New York's opioid epidemic this year, with new numbers from the Erie County Department of Health showing 245 opioid-related deaths in the first 7 months of 2023, putting the county on pace to exceed last year's 307 total deaths by the end of next month.
It really has to do with the cocaine.
Cheryl Moore is the county's opioid program director.
People are really being poisoned with this.
She says since the COVID-19 pandemic, fentanyl has infiltrated the cocaine market, leading to 81% of the county's overdose deaths this year.
This person really is not seeking an opioid. They are seeking something completely different. And in many times, this is not the person we talk to every day. It's sporadic. And they're blindsided.
We are definitely seeing unprecedented levels.
Brandy Vandermark Murray is the president of Horizon Health, the largest provider of outpatient substance-related treatments in Western New York. She has been fighting this epidemic from the front lines for the past 15 years.
How often are you seeing individuals check into your facilities?
It does ebb and flow, but each location can see, up to 200 to 300, and we have 13 locations.
200 to 300 in a day?
Correct.
And the area where she says recently they've had to focus most of their efforts, cocaine.
So many of those individuals who were using cocaine probably were not aware at all that fentanyl was in there. And so they may minimize their substance use thinking it's not that big of a deal. I previously used cocaine before. I didn't have a consequence.
Tasking those on the front lines with the challenge of changing the perception of a drug once known for just a good time.
A lot of people come in and say, I never thought this would happen to my family. I never thought this would happen to a friend. And so I want people to have an increased awareness that while you might not be an emergent or imminent risk right now, the risk is to our community.
Now, Congressman Brian Higgins also announced the introduction of the Opioid Treatment Providers Act in an effort to provide organizations like Horizon Health with funding who are dealing with lower income individuals and seeing this crisis day after day. Reporting in Buffalo and On Your Side, Andy Payton, Channel 2 News.